Forgot the combination to your suitcase? How do you open it? Today, I'm going to show you a tutorial. Make sure to save and share it. You never know when it might help you or a friend. If you're interested in lockpicking techniques, or if you like lockpicking, you can follow me. I update daily with more lockpicking tips. We see this combination and it's incorrect. First, we notice there's a notch at this position and each one has a hole. Look at this position. Turn the first dial. We need to find a notch on this dial. Pay attention. The notch is halfway exposed. Turn it again to fully expose it. Once fully exposed, the number is 6. We continue this way. It's halfway exposed, keep turning, and this one is 3. Once fully exposed, the third one this is 9. Add 56 to the number 639. Add 5 equals 1. I didn't get it, got it. One got 13. Add 5 equals 8. I didn't get it. 89. Add 5, 14. Didn't get it. 4. Let's see. The lock can be opened now. Unlocking requires skill.